Hey there, space cadets, ready for an adventure that's out of this world? Did you know that we live at the bottom of an ocean? Not an ocean of water, but an ocean of air. It's called the atmosphere, and it's just as vast and mysterious as the deep blue sea. And just like the ocean, it's teeming with activity and essential for life. From birds soaring high to bees buzzing around, it's full of wonders. Think of it like this. We are literally swimming through this ocean of air every second of our lives. Pretty wild, right? Every breath we take is a dive into this invisible sea. Without it, we wouldn't be able to breathe, and our planet would be a very different place. No trees, no animals, no us. So what exactly is this invisible force that surrounds us? What makes it so crucial for life on Earth? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the science of the atmosphere. It's going to be a thrilling ride. Get ready for an exciting journey of discovery. Let's explore the layers, the mysteries, and the magic of the atmosphere together. You might think the air is empty, but it's actually a mixture of gases. These gases are all around us, even though we can't see them. The most important gas is oxygen, which we need to breathe. Every breath we take fills our lungs with this vital element, keeping us alive and healthy. Then there's nitrogen, which makes up most of the air. It doesn't directly help us breathe, but it's crucial for other processes in nature. And don't forget about carbon dioxide, which plants use to make food. Through photosynthesis, plants convert carbon dioxide into oxygen, sustaining life on Earth. Imagine a giant salad bar for the planet. Each plant is like a chef, creating food from sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. The atmosphere is like the air in the room, without which the food and even the room would not exist. It provides the perfect environment for life to thrive. We need the right mix of gases to survive. Too much or too little of any one gas can disrupt the balance and affect our health. This blanket of air does more than just provide us with oxygen. It also regulates the Earth's temperature, making it habitable. It also protects us from harmful radiation from the sun. Without this protection, life on Earth would be impossible. Think of it like sunscreen for the entire planet. Pretty cool, huh? This invisible shield is essential for our survival and well-being. Now let's talk about the layers of the atmosphere. It's like a giant layer cake, with each layer having a different temperature and pressure. The layer closest to Earth is called the troposphere. This is where we live, and it's where most of the weather happens. Above the troposphere is the stratosphere. This layer contains the ozone layer, which protects us from harmful UV radiation. Remember that sunscreen analogy? This is where it really kicks in. As we go higher, we encounter the mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. These layers are pretty extreme, with super high temperatures and very thin air. It's like going on an adventure to the edge of space. Section 4. Weather Wonders. The Atmosphere Show. Ever wonder how rain, wind, or snow happen? Well, the atmosphere is the mastermind behind these weather wonders. The sun heats up the Earth unevenly, causing air to move around and create wind. Think of it like a pot of boiling water. The hot water rises, cools down, and then sinks back down. The same thing happens with air in the atmosphere. This constant movement leads to changes in weather patterns. From gentle breezes to powerful storms, the atmosphere puts on a spectacular show for us every day. And understanding how it works helps us predict and prepare for different weather events. Section 5. Life and breath. Our atmospheric bubble. The atmosphere isn't just about weather, it's about life itself. Plants use carbon dioxide from the atmosphere to make food, releasing oxygen in the process. This oxygen is what we breathe, creating a perfect cycle of life. Imagine a basketball game. The atmosphere is like passing the ball back and forth. Plants and animals rely on each other, just like players on a team. This delicate balance is what makes Earth so special. It's like a giant terrarium, with the atmosphere acting as the glass walls that keep everything in harmony. Section 6. Protect our air for us and future generations. Now that you know how amazing our atmosphere is, you understand why we need to protect it. The air we breathe, the sky we gaze at, and the climate we live in are all part of this delicate system. Pollution from cars, factories, and other sources can harm the atmosphere and affect our health. These pollutants can lead to respiratory issues, climate change, and other environmental problems. Think of it like this. The Earth is like our spaceship, and the atmosphere is our life support system. Just as astronauts rely on their equipment to survive, We rely on our atmosphere to sustain life. We need to keep both in good shape for a healthy future. A clean atmosphere means healthier ecosystems, more vibrant communities, and a better quality of life for everyone. We can all do our part by reducing our carbon footprint, conserving energy, and making small changes in our daily lives and supporting clean energy sources. Renewable energy like wind, solar, and hydroelectric power can significantly reduce pollution and help protect our atmosphere. Remember, we only have one Earth, and it's up to us to protect it for ourselves and for future generations. Every action we take today can make a difference tomorrow. Let's work together to keep our atmosphere clean and healthy. By joining forces, we can create a sustainable future for everyone.